Hello everyone, this is John Oye with Severe Service Specialists, or as everyone knows as Triple S. Today we are going to discuss how to properly use the UniTorq manual gearbox override. First off, as always, make sure operations is aware of what you're doing. Make sure you have permission to cycle the valve before you do that, and always wear proper safety equipment. In the past, we've used some Ken Elliott's, some UniTorqs, and a few other brands of manual gears. And on those, on our air supplies, we had a block and bleed assembly built into the system when we send it to you. And on those, you do need to bleed your air from the actuator before you're using the gearbox. With the UniTorq, our block and bleed assembly is built into the gearbox, okay? Before you start, you want to remove your power. This puts the actuator in the fail position. It makes it easier to operate the gearbox. And we always want to return to our fail position before we disengage and go back into the automatic mode. So we've removed our power. We are a fail open valve. And so to engage this, basically we just need to pull this plunger to the side, lift the blue, and at the same time pull our lever to the engagement mode, okay? While doing this, you may have to move your hand wheel a little bit. That helps line up the gears to get it engaged, but just don't force anything. Just rotate your hand wheel a little bit and everything will line up and this bar will rotate pretty smoothly. Now that we have it engaged, the air has already bled itself from here, so I don't have to worry about the actuator, and we can go from open to the closed position. You can notice that on our limit switch beacon that we are going to the closed position. Fairly easy to do. So rather than going all the way closed, the main thing you want to do is when you're done using this is bring it back to the position that you started in. We started in open, so we're going to go back to full open. There's my stop. I'll pull the hand wheel back a little bit. And then to go back to the engage is just pull up on the lever, work this back down, make sure it locks into place. You can hook your power back up and then turn the unit back over to operations. So pretty simple, and that's it.